Manipurgi issue settle toge hairagadi it is BJP. Hojik Manipur tokai taba adagi Manipur tokai ba da mi semnaba toriba mayam sigi creation torise BJP ngantani. Madu khodam baibu kenogi America gi kangbu ga loinaraga Mizoram gi kena tongan ba kisan isedama India da sem ga hagala edna. Ade ngarang magla keno member of the Rajya Sabha gi MP mana ngarang ngangi duni. अखोगी बीरे लोग अदगी अदुई मखादा सासन अहुम तोना खाइदोगा हाइगलेदुनी अदो अखोई सासन अहुम तोना मणिपुर की पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज से वी डिस्कस अखोई वेरी माइन्यूटली अखोई मणिपुर की पॉलिटिकल स्टेटस ती भारत वर्ष न पोक्तिंगे अमांगदा Indian Independent Eki Makada Manipur na maning tambalay pak amawoy na sambidan siyendana lengak lo laikre mado bharotam mars doni. The Mazar agreement is signed and made between two sovereign countries. Madu koi agreement do madu kana mamtan tugai be ade madu tugai bi ai je bharot tugai ni hai gre mayam na. Ai ne hai akanga he mayam jai. Se university logi head of department moi mot pigre aduna akogi agreement thugai ba ya da pot the agreement thugai ra bhawda leibak thugai ni hai ganda why this union government so called double engine government why they will remain silent kari gino silent lady is not the union government is not the BJP not wrong it is up to the BJP whether the leader should be changed or not. It is up to the BJP. Who will be the leader of the, who will be the Chief Minister of Manipur? It is the BJP. Point of the other warning.
Taudo ports BJP is not Doctor Bonina. You see, Miamna, Karamala, the Sanjolagati.
Karamala, the Sankan by Moina. It is up to the BJP members in the lady. Akoina Fazana High, but the BJP na tayari tauringa da tengol to me. BJP na leibang nga imni ako'y praja kalingi hariga da praja to me. Ado gadi noy na yada gadi ako'y party ki tokto loire na tokto sidro. Mo yada di. Victory juo. PRI do ado ay da di fai ay ba ay da. Saudi sagodra ako'y kanagumba Kangbu karada anek pagaman ba kangbu karena pangangam bu payaw yawida madu akoi payaw de nufi organization ni ga nufi ni ga na adagi CSO gi mar ta gi pangang na ba ngasi mag khabar do ka ganu iri adu hujik lai di PR gi hen kre sidi akoi gi kari prospecto PR bu dei thamani kari laurige nangi akoi gi Sibai mayam tajal idna. Sibai mayam tajal idna. Ako'y pami Sibai ro. Ako'y na pami Sibai na te Manipur praja na shanti pami hai bani. Shanti tawge hairagati praja mayam si inti jana CSO mayam adagi ama lairi ba mayam hairo ne mayam si khomdel laga apam du yenga dai sana mo hono gadam natro. Hujik mo adu chali bro. Sidi ako'y kari ye barot ki adagi central government pa madu ngi loin to bune apa. Central government loina farm banana to wadu the fighting the governors in the family. The role of the governor is provided by the Samvidan, by the constitution. This governor must know it. Must fight the Damidon Layapote. Role and function of the governor is provided by the constitution. He is supposed to act it. Hujiki government city I didn't have I see government city idea I already told that. While I am criticizing this government, it is just like to beat on the dead kettle. Sana see the fool me high grenade.